I'm going to tell you one little trick, one small thing that can really help you survive the bear markets. And there are bear markets. The bear markets come. I'm going to give you one thing that's going to help you not lose a bunch of money during the bear markets, which they're always bear markets. This is how the markets are. Always is, always will be. As long as there's access to leverage, there will always be booms and busts. As long as there's greed and fear in the market and human psychology, there will be booms and busts. Pause for a moment. I saw a ball which I'm going to take for my dog. Let's see. Just got off the dolphin tours. Need a new ball for the dog. So, for me personally, the goal isn't necessarily to make money from the markets during bear markets. I'm just doing other things. I'm working a lot. I like my work, raising capital in other ways. It's not so simple. It's not as simple to just go short in bear markets as it is to go long in bull markets. And my preference is just to not do anything. But here's what I can tell you. You simply put on a long period moving average on your chart. I like the 200, it's simple moving average. You put it on, and you do not take entries when price is under the 200 moving average. This isn't just my opinion. This isn't just advice I got from professional top traders, although it is. But it's based on back testing. If you throw the 200 moving average filter, and we have this in our trading system, MTP, throwing on the 200 moving average filter really improves results. And the reason it improves results is because it keeps you out of the bear markets. Not because it makes you more money during the bull markets, but it protects you. So even on the best assets, say you only trade Bitcoin, S&P 500, gold, 2022 bear market, the 200 moving average filter would have kept you out of the market for a year. Some of y'all I wasn't trading in 2008 during the great financial crisis. We also had the 2000 tech bubble was insane. The NASDAQ drew down 90%. It took 2.5 years to bottom. It took like 14 years to come back to break even. Well, if you use the moving average, you are out of the market for years. So it helps protect you in bear markets on the best assets, but it also helps protect you from being in terrible assets. Some of you guys have a problem with investing in terrible assets. Make it a filter that you're not going to buy anything under the 200 moving average. Why? One, because trends tend to continue an indefinite time period. You don't know how long. When something's going down, you don't know how long it can go down. Not how far, but how long also. So just go do something else. Start a business. Work on your health and fitness. Don't worry about making money from the markets in the bear market. So you don't know how long it's going to last. You don't know how far it's going to go. But also you don't know if your asset's headed to zero. If you buy a speculative asset, it could go to zero. You might say, well, my altcoin's down 99%. And I'll say, your altcoin is down 99% so far. Right? That's the meme, but it's real. If you've been in crypto long enough, you know it's true. There's a lot of assets that dip and dip and dip, and they keep dipping and they never come back. In the next bull market, they don't seem to notice or move that much. Well, if you just got out of them the moment they fell, or at least didn't buy the moment it's under the 200 moving average, you can wait for it. If it's your favorite asset, wait for it to be in an uptrend to buy. You can buy later. But I promise you, if there's one little thing, I would say, we can be very advanced, and I could go into a lot of detail as I have been doing, but if you want one trick that's going to make the biggest difference to protect you from bear markets, it's the moving average. That's all you really need. So I hope you find it useful. Comment down below if you did. And if you want to trade our system, there's a link down below. You go sign up and get into the Discord, see free signals, free education, hear me talk about the markets, and watch the system. I mean, forget my opinion. Let's just watch the system play out and see how the moving average matters. Okay, appreciate y'all. Much love. Talk to you soon. See you in the comments. Peace.